In this video, we will learn how to use the plotting command in AutoCAD. So plotting command generally used to convert the AutoCAD drawing to PDF, okay, to get the printouts. So I will start by just need to type PLOT and then type enter once. So we'll get the plotting dialog box, and in here you need to make it DWG to PDF. So after that, select the size of the paper according to the drawing. So if the drawing is bigger in size, you need to go to the A3, A2 or A1 likewise. So now our plan is of medium size. We can take it on a A4. Okay. A4 it will be okay, and then I will go for what to plot. So exactly we need to select the area that we need to take it on a paper. So I will go for window option and then selection bar, window selection bar, and here I will give the first click and complete it at a second click over at this corner, second click. And now, so the orientation that I am getting right exactly that I don't need, so I will change it to the portrait. Okay, so one more time I will make it landscape, and then I will take a A4 sheet of another type orientation. Okay, now I will check it in a preview. Okay, exactly that I needed. So check everything, bedroom dimensions, naming, spellings, each and everything you need to check at a preview before taking print, and then click on escape button and you will come out of it. And then always to orient the drawing at center, you need to keep this option on center the plot, and it should fit to the paper. Okay, that also all these two options should be click on, and then click OK. And at us where you need to save, it is asking it should be saved at a desktop, and I will give it a naming likewise and then save it. So drawing will be saved on a desktop. So if you want to plot a bigger drawings like this, okay, so for that you can change the size of a paper. So one more time I will go for plot command and then enter. So here you can change the paper size A4 to A3. Okay, A4 to A3, and then so A3 in this way I need. Okay, my drawing is in horizontal manner, so I need 420 by 297 A3 ISO. So now I will go for already selected window, and then first click, second click. So now check the preview. Yes, exactly. So likewise you can use a bigger paper for larger drawings, and click on escape and then go for OK, and then desktop, and then give a name and save it on a desktop. Okay, so suppose if you can also change the paper size by selecting, like if the drawing is further bigger than A3, then I can use same command plot and then go for A2. Okay, go for select for A2 and then window selection, from here to here we'll take it. Okay, preview, check the preview, whole A2 sheet it is. Okay, enter. Okay, likewise if the length of the drawing exceeds, then you need to change the sheet size. Okay, so that is 169 feet. So comparing to this, this plan was which we have taken on A4, so it is 1058. Okay, so likewise you need to change the paper size according to the drawing size.